you're the curl guy, and like you're going against everything that they are trying to promote.
I don't know if you're recording this right now. Are we on right? Okay, so here's my thing. These product lines, these brands, they will sell you, and I use that word with all seriousness. They will sell you as much as you are down to buy. Now you're telling me you're low maintenance, you're more chill.
Yeah.
But the rest of the population is trying to find that magic thing in a bottle, so they buy and try everything, especially curly hair. They will try everything at least once and be like, well, this is working for me right now. And nobody knows exactly what the right answer is. And these product companies are banking on that.
Yeah.
They release another one like, oh, this product. Here, try this. And even the ones that already work for you are keep bringing out new stuff. And so it's like, oh, maybe I should try that because I'm still having an issue. And none of them are addressing health. They're trying to put a Band-Aid on your head. They're not talking about, well, what else are you doing that's even causing the problem that they're just trying to cover up. So my whole thing, and I love that you're kind of already like 99% there, is what less can we do? I like people on a super small ecosystem. So if you're using anything in the shower, I like 4 things in total. That includes your shampoo, conditioner. So there's 2. You got to have that. Like you said, once, twice a week. Yeah. So I like a cream, and I like one other like light thing to where you can use one or the other or both, depending on what kind of control you're looking for. But what happens with most people that I wind up kind of getting on this train is they wind up going, I only need the one, or I don't use any, because what starts to grow in is so little taxed that by the time this new hair is down to here, you don't even recognize that anymore. Yeah. So it's like, I don't even need the control anymore. I heard you say curl cream.
Yes.
What are you using?
Shea Moisture.
I heard you say curl cream.
Yes.
What are you using?
Shea Moisture.
I feel like they had great intentions, and we're probably much better of a product at some point, but they've been bought out. They're a massive brand now. And you know what, to anybody listening, like if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But what I'm noticing is this is where you're drying out. And if we can tax your hair less, I know I keep saying that, I'm a broken record, but they have a ton of oils in they're very, very oil heavy. Okay. And the reason for it is because what do people want? They want control. They want less frizz. I could care less about frizz and control. I'm more about how healthy can I make your hair. The other thing too is a lot of these hairstylists and specialists out there, they're really going after this picture perfect look. Love this about you already. You like your hair the way that it grows out of your head. Yeah. Obviously, as healthy as we can have it, awesome. But that just means doing less and not worrying about the different variations that you have naturally. In my opinion, that's what makes you beautiful. That's what makes you unique, and that's what makes you special. But I mean, that goes for anybody that's embracing that. Yeah. You said it. Yeah. It's embracing your curls, not the man-made perfect structure.
I've seen all the coiling tricks, and I'm like, eh.
Don't get me wrong. It's a cool move that is completely unnecessary. The problem with doing it is we set people up for really improper expectations, like, oh, this is what my hair is supposed to look like. And it's like, no, that is not what your hair is supposed to look like this. The little that we're gonna do is get you a little bit more bouncy, but it won't be anything that you can't do on your own. It's just gonna highlight what it is that you have naturally, which is perfect.
I'm so excited.
Same.